everyone. So if you currently suffer from irregular menstrual cycles or PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome, one herb and vitamin that I would love to make you aware of is actually chastetree, also known as chasteberry or vitex. Now, this herb is helpful and known for improving fertility, particularly for women dealing with hormonal imbalances affecting reproductive health. It actually works by normalizing hormone levels, especially progesterone, and can help women with the luteal phase. Now, I was personally recommended this herb by my naturopath, and I always recommend that you find a naturopath for yourself. They are, incredibly helpful and can actually customize, a health plan as well as vitamin plan, especially for you and your body's needs. So either way, hope you enjoyed this tip, and I hope it helps in your reproductive journey.